here what is the thing is they do their 1 minute. Here the main thing of the folk artist and all, they do the pottery work. Okay, they have their own style of making the potteries. Actually, today what we are going to do is the pottery work. It's the same thing. We are going to do it in a simple, thin, small, miniature potteries. We are going to do. Okay. For that, the required materials I'll show you. You just note it down. See, this is the molded clay. Normally, we use the molded clay, Fevicryl molded clay. This has two parts inside, okay? I'll show you the materials now just because this mold will dry fast now. I'm taking it out now itself and showing you. You have a small portion here, cut portion. You can tear it from that place. And inside you will be having two parts of clay, okay? This two should be taken equally and it should be mixed and it should be used, okay? Then the other materials are like we'll be using the acrylic color, white color, and all types of blue colors can be used. Blue color, it can be cerulean blue or light blue, dark blue, sky blue, all those things. These blue colors, I'm going to use it. This is going to be something blue pottery work, okay? Other than that, what you need is brushes. Fevicryl brushes, okay? Fevicryl flat and thin brushes we need. And talcum powder, any old talcum powders, anything if you have, you can use that. For dusting your hand only, you'll be using that. Now we are going to start with the work. This type of pottery works, it was done from 600 years back, okay? Now in Uttar Pradesh, it is the main thing, like many of the folk artists are there to do these work. More than 15,000 or nearly 25,000 people are involved in doing this type of pottery work. Actually, this is done and it has got an license and it will be exported to other countries too. Okay. Now we can start with the work. I'm taking, just because we are going to do a pottery work in one pack, how we can do the part. So many types of pots we are going to make, so many shapes we are going to make. So first observe what I am doing. Later you decide which all things you want to do, you can do it. Okay. I think it is visible for you, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
See, both the clay I am taking, okay? And then you dust the hand with your powder. Actually, while dusting, no, see that you dust only your hand, not for the clay. Nicely, you try to mix
the audio is not clear.
Mix the
Ma'am, your audio is not clear, ma'am.
See, I want everyone to mute yourself.
Ma'am, your videos have been stuck out.
Maybe because of the signal, ma'am. Signal problem, okay? Network problem, it must be.
Can we do now?
You need not do now, ma. You just observe how I am doing. This clay, it will be wet only for 10 to 15 minutes after we mix it. So after mixing, you should not waste your time. We have to do the work immediately, okay? That's why I'm telling not to mix it now itself. Just observe what I am doing. Understand everything what I am doing. Then you can start doing it, okay? It is not like in an urgent, you have to do it now. See, mix it evenly. It should be mixed. There should not be any black or gray lines over it. Fully, it should become white in color. Okay.
ஏமா ஃபேன் ஆஃப் பண்ணுங்க ஃபேன் போடுறதா இருக்குது
See, now the clay is uniform color, isn't it? White color it is. Now you can decide what type of pot you want. First, initially, I'll tell you one type of pot which will be very easy. That for that, I'm going to take
4.4
3/4 of the clay, like less than 3/4 of the clay I've taken. Dust the hand with powder nicely. It should not stick to your hand. Okay. For that only, I'm dusting my hand with powder. Any type of talcum powder, any old powders, even you can use it. Okay. Mix it nicely. Now I'm making it like this. Okay, like cylinder shape. Oval you can keep it. Okay. Then press it in the bottom of the thing. I'm just pressing it like this. And what I'm going to do is I'm taking a pencil, or you can take even a brush backside and all. You can apply little powder over this part. You just apply powder over this part. Enough amount of powder should be applied. And very lightly you try to put a hole like this. Okay. And make it somewhat wider. Nalla eppadi konjam oota maadhiri potittu, like you just make it wider. Now try to reshape it. Like if you have pressed and all too much, you have pressed and all, you have to make the shape proper. So something like this, very small miniature pots we are going to make. So this is going to be the base of the pot. Okay. Don't drill it too much, then you will get a hole at the bottom. So according to that, you have to do it. See that you pull the top portion up. இதே மாதிரி பிடிச்சிட்டு இப்படி மேல இப்படி கொஞ்சம் இப்படி எழுப்பி விடுற மாதிரி எடுத்துட்டு வரணும். Okay. Then very slowly you drill the pot. You should be very careful that the hole doesn't come at the bottom. So very slowly you are pulling it up. And this is the basic step. With this you can form the pot like however you want, you can make it. It can be a square pot or something like, I'll show you the images, what the articles, what I'm having, I'll show you.
Okay.
See, like this now, like since to have the smooth pot here, you just roll it like this so that you will have a lengthy, longer, neat part work. Okay. We have made something like this. Can you see? Now this portion, the edges are not proper, isn't it? So very slowly you are going to pull it out like this. And slowly you can press it over this place. Very slowly, without pressing too much, very slowly you have to do it. Okay. To smoothen the part, I'm touching little powder and just making it like this. So that the very simple Starbucks like pot we have made. Okay. Our fingerprints should not be seen too much and all. Fingerprints, we should not show it too much and all. Now this portion, it should be even and good enough. Okay. Very slowly you shapen the pot like this. These are the miniature parts, blue pottery work we are going to show. Okay. First type of pot, simple basic pot we have done. Okay. See that you are pulling it down to certain extent so that we have a curvy pot at the bottom. See, now you can see like a small miniature pot like thing we have made. While giving impressions and all, that should not be anything like that. Like you apply little powder and make it into a smooth thing. Okay. On the top, if you want, you can have it the same thing. You can have it, or you can make it into a jug-like thing. You can to one corner alone. I'm making it like jug. Okay. Like porcelain and ceramic wares, you will get so many ideas. Like from that you can create your own pot. It is not that what I am making only you have to make. It is not at all like that. You can make your own idea. See, now we have made like this. It's not that you have to make it now itself. Ma. First observe what I am doing. Later you can do your pots. Okay. And if you want, if you can have some days also here. I'm taking a small circle here and just making it into a ball like thing. Pressing it, leaving it at the bottom. You can just place it over that. So you will have a base like thing at the bottom. Can you see? We are having a base like thing at the bottom. And now I am going to make a handle for this.
1 second, did you keep
Handle you
the
can
Shilpa
make it like
Ma'am,
small thick rope like thing you make it.
can you hear me?
See, doubts you can get it clarified at last, ma. Just see what I am doing. See, very slowly. This by itself, it has an adhesive property. So, for few minutes only, this clay will be drying fast. So before that, you have to do what all molding works you need to do. You can do it. To measure like this much is enough for me. Like here, I'm going to keep it like this. Okay. Now our pot, one type of pot we have completed. Okay. This type I have made it. Okay. Here, this is the finished article. Now itself we can't paint for this. So I'll show you the painting later. I'll show you like other types of pot we can make, and then I'll show you painting for this. Let it dry for some time without disturbing it. You allow it to dry. Then next type of pot, what we are going to see is, for that I'm going to take little more base work. We can do it with the same clay. See this round portion I have made it and I have kept it here. And one more clay part I'm taking. 3 types of pot stone I will show you how to do. Okay.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, in first part, you did handle, no, ma'am.
Yes.
Now you can teach again, ma'am.
Handle you want me to tell again?
Yes, ma'am.
See, nothing. You have to make it like thin line like thing. You make it thread like thing. You make it. Okay. And just try to paste on one side of the pot. This part you are just keeping it like this and folding it like this. Now we can't do it in that. Can you understand what I'm telling? Say I've left one handle here. Again, we can't keep a handle over this place. So we are going to keep it like this and just rotate it like this. Okay. Now I think I'm clear. See that any impression is not there on the pot. If anything is there also, you can just take a powder, Just smoothen it like this without giving impression and just place it. Okay. Allow it to dry. And next part, what I am going to do is, that is also, it's going to be very simple only. The mouth part of it, it's going to be somewhat different. For that, one small circle piece I have taken. And that clay will not be enough for me to do that pot. And so I am taking one more clay pack. See, one is hardener and the other is the resin base. Okay. While mixing it, you dust your hand nicely with the powder and then start mixing it nicely. Okay.
Hello.
Yes.
Something அடி flat ஆயிடா அடியில round
Just mix it nicely. Allow the pot to dry nicely and then only we can do the base coloring, and the coloring designs can be made with blue on the top. Okay. So like 2 or 3 types of pot alone I'm going to show you now. One part I have finished, the other 2 I'll be showing it to you now. This clay earlier itself I have mixed. So before this is drying, we have to do the mixing fast and we have to do the thing. Apply enough powder so that the clay doesn't stick to your hand. While mixing, you have to put it inside and outside and then mix. Okay, don't roll it like this, then it will not get mixed at all. You have to mix it in this way, putting it inside and outside. Yeah, now I have mixed the clay fully. It is white in color. You see, we are not having any baby colors and all. So we can use this clay now. I'm mixing this both the clay together so that we'll have the enough second period. In this, what I'm going to do is, one part of one circle I have taken. In this, what you are going to do is, I'm taking one of my acrylic clay, acrylic paint, and on that I'm going to apply some powder over this. You just apply some powder over this so that we are going to use this as one of the mold and we are going to do it. Flatten your clay. You just flatten your clay. Keep it over this and bring it this way. Very slowly I'm doing. Don't make it stick to the bottle. So I'm taking it like this. We have got the base of the then very slowly this portion I'm going to add like a bird's face. I'm going to add to this. Okay, this is going to be the base of the thing. Now it will be changing its shape, but when it dries, no, it will be hard enough, so you can't. The shape will not change. See, I'm going to do it like this, and on that, little clay, what we have mixed, no, from that little clay we are taking, just make it into a ball. Then one side alone, you just bring it like this, like pure drop shape you need to take, and just place it over this portion and pinch over this top part. So you'll have something like a bird's face. Then smoothen the pot nicely give the definite shape for it. This is going to be something flat pot only. Kurja pots, it's made in different sizes and forms. One of the form is like this. If you want a little fight should be given, means you can add little more clay and you can do it. So this also is smoothen the pot. Just take such little powder and then you just smoothen it nicely like this. And the attachments and all, now we made know that attachments and all should not be seen too much. So according to that, you have to mold the clay nicely. See, if this link is over, then again you can join with the same link mark. If it is time out also, no need to worry. You can join with the same link again. Okay? See, I'm just molding it this way.
Ma'am?
Yes?
Ma'am, your videos have been stuck.
Excuse me, ma'am. Your audio is not visible.
Your audio is
Ma'am?
not visible.
Video is not visible. தான் சொல்லுவாங்க. Ma'am, your video is not visible. வீடியோவும் இல்ல ஆடியோவும் சரியில்லை. Video and audio is not clear. இருக்கு பாக்குறதுக்கு.
Ma'am, we should do only one part. Ma'am?
See, I want
Ma'am, we
everyone to
should do only
mute.
one part.
See, I want everyone to mute yourself. Is it visible, ma'am? What the video is visible or not?
The video is visible.
Not clear, ma'am.
Ma'am, it is visible, ma'am.
Okay, okay, ma'am.
The audio is clear.
See, I want everyone to mute yourself, okay? There is lot of disturbance, so others can't hear. See, we have made something like this. The shape is like this, okay? Is it okay? What you are able to see? Then later, I'm going to give impressions with this pencil. Just make small depression over this part. Very small depression I'm making it. In both the sides I'm making that. Mute yourself now, everyone.
Mute பண்ணு. ஏதாவது சொல்றேன்னா மட்டும் unmute பண்ணு.
Mute ma, otherwise it will be a disturbance only. Okay, this part it may go down now. After little bit it is drying. No, after drying it will become proper. Like now and then we have to give the shape for this. You need to maintain the shape of this. Okay, this part we have done. Earlier I have done and kept this part. Okay, this part, this I have kept it. Okay, here you can see the neck portion. Can you see the neck portion? And the beak we have pinched and made it longer. Okay, this is going to be the base of the part in which I'll be painting. This only when it dries, we can do all such painting works and all. Let it dry. See, this is the finished part of this pot. Okay. Here we have given the depressions. White color acrylic paint I have applied, and sky colored, sky blue I have applied, and then given intricate designs with cerulean blue. Cerulean blue, okay? Can you all see what I am showing? This is going to be the one of the part. And next part, we are going to see something very simple only. It can be any type, like this shape can be done, or this shape can be done, or something like this you can make it. Something like this you can make it. Okay? Few minutes. I'll dust the place and then I'll show you the thing. Can you all see the different types of pot we have made? This is the pot I showed you
Yes,
now.
miss.
This is the pot we have showed you now. And this was the earlier one. This one was the earlier one. Okay. Any shape like these three I have made it. Any one shape we can make it now. Okay. See, this is going to be very simple only. With the rest of the clay, I'm making it like cylinder.
Ma'am, you should mix the clay only, ma'am.
Yeah, you need to mix the clay and only then you can make it. See, then flatten it like this. After flattening it, just roll it like this so that any impressions are not on the sides. If your link is cut, then join again with the same link, ma.
Okay,
Now,
ma'am.
I'm applying powder over this part of the brush. Just putting a hole or drilling it like this so that the clay should not stick to the brush. I'm making it like this. These are the miniature parts which will be very nice. Nowadays, miniature parts, it's cost too much. Okay. More than a bigger part, miniature parts are costly and it is an important part in decoration. Okay. It plays a very important part in decoration as few of your drawing room or something like that. Now here I'm making a something like square mouth. Square mouth I'm making it for this pot. Okay. Then very slowly I am rolling it down like this. So on this you can make some more clay. If you take, you can even make some Barbie arts or something like that on this. But here we are going to make today what we are going to do is like small intricate designs only I'm going to make and show you. So this is different type of pot we have made. Very easy. As a children, like you all can make it very easily. Like square mouth, we have kept it over here. Okay. And like this handles, if we want, we can attach to this. Both the sides, if you want also, you can just push it inside like this and you can keep it. Earlier itself, I made and kept the handles alone. Okay, so that you can keep it like this. And then at last, you can make it into a square bar. Okay. Like both the sides, if you want also, you can make it. Or you can stick it with glue. Okay. Few minutes, I'll make it proper and I'll show you. You can apply Fevicol A plus or something, or thicker like a bond even you can take and use it. Fevibond, Fevitite and all is there, no? Even that you can use for sticking this finished handles. You can just make it stick like this. This type of glue, if you are, when you are using no Fevibond and all, see to that it doesn't stick to your hand. It will not go that very easily. So I'm just making a dot of it will become transparent only. Just place it here like this. So it is easy for us to make it fit. While you open itself, it will start oozing out. After some time, you can just make it